Hello, my friends. Thanks for joining me. I am doing two collaborations today. One is my collaboration, which is Master Board Mayhem. And you can see here that I created a really pretty master board with a lot of greens on it. And I've decided to join in on Enjoy Green with Us, which is hosted by Kim's Inspired Life and Pretty Crafty. Now, I took the masterboard and I cut it in half, and now I am folding those two pieces in half, and they are the perfect size for a greeting card. So I thought I'd go ahead and grab some scraps and some pieces from my stash and embellish them. I just so happened to have had some cardstock laying on my desk, which was scrap pieces. And so I thought these would be perfect as a centerpiece on top of the card. In my stash, I have these pretty flowers in these cute little pots, and I do believe these were given to me in Happy Mail, so thank you so much, my Happy Mail friend, for sending these to me. I'm so glad to be able to use them. So I'm going to pop those on top of the scrapbook paper. And then I figure I'll go around that with some really bright green rickrack. I'm really getting into the greens on this one. While I'm working on this, I want to mention to you that Master Board Mayhem is an open collaboration, so feel free to join in. I would love it. And use the hashtag Master Board Mayhem, and then tag me, Creating with Jovi, as your host. Use your scraps, use some things from your stash, put it together, and then look, I'm creating cards from it. It's just fantastic. You can also create tags, belly bands, pockets for your journals, all kinds of things that we can use with our completed master boards. And be sure to check out Kim's Inspired Life and Pretty Crafty so that you can get all the details on Enjoy Green with Us. But I am pretty certain that you can make anything with green in it. Someone made like just a peppermint shake. So it doesn't even have to be paper crafting to be part of that collaboration, which is also an open collab. All right, you can see that I am going around this scrapbook paper with the rickrack, and I'm just using my hot glue to adhere it. You could use 3-in-1 or Fabri-Tac if you wanted to. While I'm working on these details, I also want to mention to you a couple more things that are going on. Swap and Glue is going to go on through the end of March. And also, channel memberships are available on my channel. And you can click the join button, and it won't make you join, but it will take you to a place where you can see what the perks are. So don't feel hesitant to click that button. Don't worry, I've tested it out on other channels. But you can see what the perks are and see if that's something that you would find interesting. Another thing that you might want to keep your eye out for towards the end of this month, my friend Kara of Paper Confessions with Kara Mia, she and I are doing a swap, and I'm super excited about it, and I've started working on it, and I can't wait to finish it and mail it out to her. And we're both using the book Miss Rumphius, so that'll be a lot of fun. All right, so I added some buttons to the corners of the rickrack, and now I'm going to give you a close-up. All right, my friends, here are our cards with lots of green. I have joined in on Enjoy Green with Us, hosted by Kim's Inspired Life and Pretty Crafty. So here they are. I love them. So if you want to join in on Master Board Mayhem, you can do that. Use the hashtag and tag me as the host. And then also check out the collab Enjoy Green with Us. All right, my friends, thanks for watching. See you soon.